What is going on, everybody? It is Frito here, and today we got a fidget spinner! Woo! 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 Fidget spinner! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! That's right, guys. We got the fidget spinner. I ordered it on Amazon. I've been seeing everybody have one, so I'm like, I gotta see what these things are about. So I got the TY Zest metal spinner. I think it was $30. These are supposed to be really good ones, so if you guys want one. And it comes in a nice case. I mean, that's fancy now. Okay, that's fancy. They're supposed to spin for like 5 to 8 minutes, and it goes and goes and goes and goes. I figured I'd do an unboxing of the fidget spinner, and it looks really cool. I don't know if you guys will get a. I mean, it's heavy. I mean, it is heavy. It's pretty sweet though. Joy! Joy! Yeah! Woo! Woo! I'm a mess, I know. And you barely move the thing, like, and it goes. Let's go fast. Hear it? It actually. I tell you what. Really cool spinner. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching and all you guys' support. I love you so much. Oh, that's a bad heart. Oh my goodness. There we go. Love you guys so much. And bye. Alexa, I got a fidget spinner.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa,